children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Children, today we will learn how to add, subtract, multiply and divide the number in terms of money. So let's understand with examples. Addition of money. Children, here we have 20 rupee note and 5 rupee note. So we will simply add the amount as we do with the numbers. So 20 rupee plus 5 rupee. We get the sum 25 rupees. Let's understand with one more example. Children, here we have 2 rupee coin, 1 rupee coin and 50 paise. So we will simply add the amount 2 rupee plus 1 rupee plus of 50 paise. So children, you can see here this dot separate the column of the rupees from the column of paise. So we get the sum 3 rupees 50 paise. Now let us look on the third example. Children, here we have 25 paise and 50 paise coin. So both are in paise. So we will simply add 25 paise plus 50 paise. So we get the sum 75 paise. Children, let's understand subtraction in terms of money. Children, here we have 20 rupees and 0 paise, 5 rupees and 54 paise. So how we will get the difference? Children, we know that dot separate the rupees and paise. Left of the dot represent rupees and right of the dot represent paise. So children, here we have 0 in the paise part. So we cannot subtract 54 from 0 paise. So what we will do? We will take 1 rupee borrow from the rupee part. So 20 rupees will become 19 rupees and 0 paise will become 100 paise. Now we can easily subtract 5 rupees 54 paise from 19 rupees 100 paise. So children, 100 paise minus of 54 paise, 10 minus 4, 6, 9 minus 5, 4, we have to put a point, then 9 minus 5 we get the number 4 and 1 minus 0 we get the number 1. So here we get the difference 14 rupees 46 paise. Now children, let's see multiplication in terms of money. Children, we will multiply the amount in the same way as we do with the numbers. So children, we will multiply the amount from right towards left one by one. 6 sevens are 42. Then we will write 2 at the ones place. Then we will give 4 carry over to the tens. Then we will multiply 6 by 4. So 6 fours are 24. And here we have 4 carry over. So we will add 24 plus 4. So we get the sum 28. So we will write 8 at tens and we will give 2 carry over to 100 place. So point is there after 2 digit in the multiplicand. So we will put point. Then we will multiply 6 by 1. So 6 ones are 6. And here we have a carry. So we will add plus 2. So 6 plus 2 is equals to 8. So here we get the amount 8 rupees 82 paise. Now children, let's understand how to divide the numbers in terms of money. Division of money. Children, here we have 5 rupees 10 paise and we have to divide by 5. So children, we will simply divide the amount as we do with the numbers. So here we have 5 rupees 10 paise. So we have to divide by 5. So here 5 is there at the first in the dividend. So we have to check that is 5 comes in table of 5 or not. Yes, it comes in table of 5 one time. So we will write 5 ones are 5. Then subtract it. 5 minus 5, we get the difference 0. Children, as we can see, point is there in the dividend after 5. So we will put a point in the quotient place, and then we have to bring down the 1 under the dividend. Then we have to check is 1 comes in table of 5 or not. Yes, it does not comes in table of 5. So what we will do? We will take the near about the number. So when we will multiply it 5 by 0, we will get the number which is less than 1. So 5 zeros are 0. Here we have to subtract 1 minus 0. So we get the difference 1. Then bring down the 0 under the dividend. We will read the number together. It's a 10. And we have to check that is 10 comes in table of 5 or no? Not. So yes, it comes in table of 5 2 times. So 5 2s are 10. Then we have to subtract 10 minus 10. We get the difference 0. So children, here we get the answer 1 rupee 2 paise as a quotient, and remainder we get 0. I hope you understand well, children. Thank you.